Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video, day 13 of my 24 days of Christmas Vlogmas series. We're just over halfway through, can't quite believe we're there already. I hope you're enjoying these daily uploads from me and some of my other wonderful fellow content creators out there like Eyeshadow, The Moon and Stars, Lisa, Authentic Beauty and Casey Jane as well. They're all doing Vlogmas, so if you don't know who any of those are, I will pop all details in the description box below, so please go and check all their channels out for me, please. Show them some love and support as well at what is a very, very busy time for us all. Okay, today's video is an unboxing. I have the next December beauty subscription box for you all, and it is from Look Fantastic. Here we go. December's Look Fantastic box is here. Have to say the outer box is absolutely stunning this month. Black with gold accents, as you can see. It's all like baubles hanging down, but we've got one's a lipstick, this could be a perfume down here, this could be a highlighter, you know. So really, really lovely outer boxes, and I have to say for me, Look Fantastic do tip the bill with their presentation of their subscription boxes. So what is Look Fantastic? How much does it cost? What do you get inside there? This is a UK based beauty subscription box. It costs £15 a month including your postage and packaging, and there are always 6 items in here. The total RRP value is usually around about the £50 plus mark, but before we get in and see what goodies are awaiting us this month, we are going to open day 13 on both of our advent calendars, starting of course with Look Fantastics. And day number 13 is down here. Let's grab it out and see what we've got. Try not to look as usual so that we all get a little bit of a surprise. There we go. Oh, it's covered up. What we got. Okay, we've got a sleep mask. Fair enough. This looks like a really nice one actually. It's by the company G Love. There we go. We had a towel in hair wrap from them in a subscription box a few months ago, and that is absolutely amazing. I love it. It's awesome. This is a lovely dark navy blue colour, so I will be keeping this, I think. I've got a couple of different sleep masks now. They're fantastic for if you've got a bit of a tension headache and you're in the middle of the day, you want a bit of a wee power nap, for blocking the sunlight out. They're also good. I like to use the space masks, heated eye masks, and I find these really handy for keeping those on and for keeping the warmth on my eyes as well. So really not upset to see that in there, and that's, like I say, day number 13 from Look Fantastic. Awesome. Let's move on to the box of Gothmas one now. Here we go, little wee package today from our box of Gothmas. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it's so cute. What is it? Okay. All right. It says, this is what it is. It's a little nicky-nacky thing. It says, One Silly Rabbit. Etsy, Instagram, Facebook. Use code GOTH15 to receive a discount in our Etsy store. So the shop must be, what is it? One Silly Rabbit. That must be the Etsy shop. That must be the company who's made this little nicky-nacky thing. But isn't that so cute? A little like ghosty thingy, wibbly-wobbly alien. That's quite cute. I really like that. Very random, very different, but I really like that. Day 13 from Box of Goth. Okay, let's open up our monthly subscription box from Look Fantastic for December, everybody. Here we go. We usually get a little booklet on the top. Yes, we have one this month as well. This tells us all about the products that are inside the box. There should be RRP values in here, however there wasn't last month, so that was a bit annoying. And it also tells us a little bit about each product as well. We have a sneak peek on the back for what is coming in January. It is by the company SVR, and it's an intense moisturising cream. It's 40ml tube, and it'll be worth £15. So everybody who does a beauty box or a subscription box in January will receive one of those. Here we go. So the inside packaging matches the beautiful outside with the black and gold theme. Ooh, and we've also got, we've even got gold wormies this month as well, just to make it extra little bit festive. So that's actually quite a nice little detail, isn't it? First product I am pulling out the box. Okay, this is by the company Jekka Black, and it's their Glow Drops in the shade Champagne. This is a 20ml tube. It's vegan friendly and cruelty free brand. Now then, I do actually have one of these products before by this company, exactly the same product, just I think in a slightly different shade, but I will just have to double check that. If you've watched my recent makeup collection and declutter video, I do feature it in that one actually. I think it's the primers and foundation one. I'll link it up here for you now anyway if you want to go and check that one out. What am I going to do with this? I do quite like this product. If I've already got this colour, I may well donate or gift this one away. If this is in a slightly different colour, then I will keep this and try it, but I'm not going to swatch it just in case I do end up gifting it away. But that is item number 1. Let's have a look for the RRP of that. And again, no, like last month, we don't have any RRPs for the products in the booklet this month. I believe from memory, I think this was worth about £10 or £15, but don't quote me on it. But anyway, like I say, item number 1. Item number 2, ooh, thank goodness for that. I saw it was a Percy & Reed product, which are a hair care brand, and my heart sunk because the last couple of items I've had from this brand have been the dry shampoo, and that's not a product I use. This, however, is the Session Hold Hairspray. This is a 50ml travel size, I would say, and it says reassuringly firm, which I need with my particular short and spiky hairstyle. But there we go. I would think Percy & Reed are not a cheap brand, so I would think even this little 50ml hairspray is potentially going to have an RRP value of around about the £4 mark. So that's item number 2. Item number 3 is a brush. It's by Brushworks. Here we go. I'm giggling because I have yet to go through and film my makeup brush collection and declutter video. I am putting it off because I am not looking forward to it. This is a double-ended eye brush. Here we go. So we've got looks like a nice sort of shader packing brush on this end and a wee angled eyeliner or brow liner brush on this end. I will take it out very, very carefully. I have got a couple of Brushworks brushes and they are quite nice. Not the weightiest in the world, but that is a really good size shader brush on this end. Quite nice and dense as well, and quite wide. So good for doing all over your lid. And then a very, very nice short bristle, because you don't want these too long, these angled brushes. I'll talk about more why and everything in that brush collection and declutter video, which will be coming. So if you're not already, please do make sure you're hitting that subscribe button and clicking your notification bell so you're notified when that is uploaded. But this is going to be gifted away purely because when you see the size of my brush collection, you'll understand why I don't really need any more. I mean, I'm never upset to get brushes in subscription boxes. I think they're a fabulous idea because that will probably have an RRP value of around about the £6 or £8 mark. Brushes are not cheap to buy, and particularly if you are starting up, building your collection, this is a great way of doing it, getting them in the sub boxes. But yeah, for me and my purposes, that's going to be gifted away. But item number 3. Item number 4, where is it? It's lurking in here somewhere. Here we go. This is by the company The Balm. Right. This is the Petal to the Metal Vavavoom Cream Eyeshadow. I have heard of this company. Here's the outer packaging. But I haven't actually tried anything from them. So they are, it looks like there might be 6 different shades of eyeshadow that you can receive. This one is, can I see what shade it's in? This is into Shift into Overdrive, and it opens like a flap like that, and there we go. Is this a matte or a shimmer? Looks like a shimmer. Very nice neutral colour, sort of a bronzy browny base with a bit of a gold glitter and reflex over the top of that. As much as I would really like to try this brand out, and I think the packaging is so cute, I really do love the packaging of that. The colour, I'm not a neutral girl, as I'm sure you can kind of guess, so rather than swatch that and put my mucky mitts all over it, I'm actually going to leave that alone, and I will be gifting that away, popping it in a giveaway, potentially. So yeah, that is item number 4. That's probably going to have retail value of around about the £6 mark. Individual single eyeshadows usually do. So there you go. Just to let you know as well, everybody, I don't just do sub box unboxings on my channel. I do makeup looks, makeup hauls. I have a live stream as well on a Friday evening called the Friday Night Natter. That is at 8 PM UK time, and it's a virtual get together. Bring your favourite beverage, get yourself comfy, get a couple of snacks, because it normally lasts a good hour and a half to 2 hours, and we literally put the world to rights. We talk about anything and everything there. It's a really lovely community, so it's very safe, open-minded, encouraging and supportive. If you would like to become a part of that community, please do bob in on a Friday Night Natter and say hi in the live chat. The last Friday Night Natter that I will be doing before the new year is on Friday the 18th of December, and I will be doing a flash giveaway in there at some point, so you never know. One of these items that you're seeing here that I'm saying I'm going to gift away, either the makeup brush or the eyeshadow potentially, they may well just end up in that giveaway. All right, moving on. The next item in the bag, or the box I should say, is by the company Medic 8. Now then, I have heard of these. I haven't tried any of their products, so this is really interesting. This is a 10ml pipette bottle of a liquid rehydration serum. Hopefully, it says for skin aging. Here we go. Now, a 10ml bottle of a serum doesn't sound very much, but obviously you only ever need 2 or 3 drops, everybody. So this should last quite a long time. You will either receive this one or the Ren Atlantic Kelp and Magnesium Energizing Lotion in a 50ml bottle. There we go. Okay, so that's item number 5. And what sort of RRP value is that going to have? Serums are quite expensive, so I don't know, potentially £15, something like that. We'll say £15 as a rough guide on that one. And then the last product in the box. Now, this was the sneak peek from last month. It's an Avant product. It is the propanediol Micro Hyaluronic Mariaquis Aqua Collagen Pro Radiance Brightening Eye Final Touch. It's a 10ml tube, so it's an Avant eye cream, basically. Here we go. Avant products have well and truly exhausted the subscription box market this year. I don't think I've had an Avant eye cream, so it is nice to get an eye cream rather than a moisturiser. Avant is supposedly a very pricey brand. I believe, if I remember the sneak peek from last month, it said this 10ml tube was worth £102, something like that, or £90. I don't know whether I'd necessarily say that it was worth it or agree with that RRP, but what can you do? So that is our 6th and final item. Let's just do a quick recap. We have the Avant eye cream. I'm pretty sure it said it was worth £90, so supposedly £90. If we say the Jecca Black glow drops are worth £10, that is £100. If we say the Medicate serum, is worth £15, that's 115. Let's say the brush is worth £6, so that's 121. Let's say the eyeshadow is worth £6, that's 127. And then we've got, say, £4 for the hairspray, so that's £131. So roughly £130 worth of products in a box that we've paid £15 for. So what do I think to it? Well, obviously from a value of money standpoint, absolutely fantastic. What do I think to the creation? Well, you've got hair care, and I do like the fact it's the travel size hairspray, not the dry shampoo, so I'm very pleased about that. Awesome. The brush, like I say, I love getting brushes, so absolutely, that's fantastic. You've also got the eyeshadow with which to pop on with your brush, so that again, that's really good. You've got a primer or liquid highlighter in there to go with your couple of makeup items with the glow drops. That's good. And then you've got a couple of skincare items, one for your face, one for your eyes. So yeah, as an overall curation, I actually do like the curation of this box, and I do like the products that are in there. Yes, there are a couple that I'm going to be gifting away, either donating those, putting them in a friend mail, or a giveaway to you lovely subscribers. But overall, I think I have got the value for me personally of the products I'm going to be keeping and trying and using. Yes, this is a good value box for me this month. Woohoo, because I was well disappointed with last month's, wasn't I? Okay, everybody, so if you are new to my channel, the warmest of welcomes. I hope you consider joining me on this YouTube journey. To do that, you're going to have to hit that subscribe button, the red one down below, or the circular icon with my face in it, which will appear here shortly. Don't forget to turn your notification bell on so that YouTube tells you every time I upload a video, normally 3 times a week, but at the moment it's every day in the run-up to Christmas. Lisa from Authentic Beauty and I, fast becoming a very, very firm friend. She and I have a joint Facebook page. I will pop the details down here for you now, but please do search Making It Authentic. That is another social media platform for the community to get involved and interact with each other. We have a couple of lovely subscribers who have blogs, and they pop links to their blog posts on there, all beauty related and everything. We have some people who have their own businesses, who make jewellery, nail artists, lots and lots of different people on there, so please do go check that out. I am of course also on Instagram, details are down here now. Please do go and give me a follow over there as well. My goal for the new year is to promote myself a little bit more and to use my Instagram account a wee bit more than I'm doing at the moment. So again, if you want to follow me on that crazy journey, head over to Instagram and follow me on there as well. I think that's everything for today, everybody. I'm going to go and have a well-earned cup of tea now. Enjoy the rest of your day, keep safe and well, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye!